Hello, Mamsies! We've reached the final episode discussing the topic of losing a child. And now, we are finally here for our last episode, The Art of Surrendering. Kaya tara, pag-usapan natin yan. So, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng surrendering? Ang ibang tawag natin dito ay submission, giving in, or conceding. Sa Tagalog, ito yung tinatawag natin na pagsuko. Pero para sa topic na ito, the art of surrendering, we are not saying that you are quitting because you are defeated or talunan ka, but because you are too tired and you are seeking help to share and carry your burdens. At dahil malawak or malalim ang topic na ito, we will focus only on the two contexts. At ito yung una, finding peace in acceptance. Ang ibig sabihin nito, you are accepting the reality of the situation. You are accepting that some aspects of life are beyond our control. At kahit masakit, ay naghahanap ka pa rin ng paraan para magpatuloy sa buhay. At yung pangalawang context naman is connecting with spiritual perspective. Kabilang dito yung faith, resilience, at yung paghahanap mo ng meaning or kahulugan doon sa bagay na pinagdadaanan mo. Mamsis, the art of surrendering through connecting with spiritual perspective is surrendering everything to the Lord. It means surrendering your pain, your anger, your doubt, your fear, at lahat ng kabigatan na naidudulot sa iyo ng kasalukuyan mong sitwasyon. Surrendering is also dreaming with the Lord. Ito naman yung embracing and believing that you will face your situation with confidence of your heart to say that, Lord, I cannot change my situation, but I thank you for the God that I serve is the God who can turn my trials into triumph and the God who can turn my test into a testimony. Mamsis, one day, God will call you to surrender at wala din itong pinipiling araw at oras. And when God calls you, just go and completely entrust yourself to His care. Because in doing so, you could experience the fullness of His role of being a father and a friend to you. Because every moment with the Lord, nothing is lacking, nothing is broken. And as you surrender everything to the Lord, remember that this battle is no longer yours. It already belongs to the Lord. Mamsi, salamat kung umabot ka sa last episode na ito at maraming salamat din kung lahat ng episodes natin ay pinakinggan at tinapos mo. I know and I understand that there are no precise words to comfort you right now. Lalo na kung bago sa'yo yung pakiramdam na nawalan or nakunan or namatayan ng anak or hindi makabuo ng baby or hirap makabuo ng baby. Pero sana, while you are inside this battlefield, I hope from our 8 episodes, kahit isa lang doon, ay may magamit ka as a powerful tool para magpatuloy kang mabuhay at lumaban. Momsies, you don't need to carry the weight of the world when God is the one holding it up. Kaya naman ibigay at isuko mo na ito lahat sa Kanya. But don't quit because God is not done with you yet. Momsies, I'm so excited for you because there is so much more to your story. That's it, Momsies. Thank you for watching. More topics coming soon, so see you next time.